Hello guys, good afternoon. I welcome you all in today's video. So as you can see, the trend rider is generating massive in this market. Okay, and let's go to the strategy tester and see its performance. So right here you can see this trend rider strategy has booked more than 60% of return this month. Okay, and that uh, we in this strategy we are more than 50% time profitable. Along with that, we have maintained more than 1:2 risk reward ratio. Okay, let's go to the live account and see today's performance. Along with that, what happened over this month. Let's go to the real account and see. So as here you can see, today Quants Algo has generated two trades, one at Nifty and one at Bank Nifty. And we successfully we have booked more than 2,000 profit over a day. Okay, let's go to the account and see this month's result. Okay, so today's profit here it is not added, but right now as you can see, over 20,000 investment, our bot has generated almost 60% return. Okay, as you can see, 11,000 profit is there. Okay, after deduction of that, we have done more than 9,000 profit. So, guys, this is the power of automation. Okay, whatever the return has generated, it has booked automatically. As like that, you can work with Quants Algo and you can generate this type of return without investing your time. So I hope you would have understood and about our concept and you would have seen everything. Thank you so much.